Our goal today is to create a profitable trading strategy using just 2 free indicators. Make sure to watch this entire tutorial because not only will I go through different scenarios and results using this strategy, but I'll also show you how to fully automate it into a bot with alerts so it can trade for you while you're away. Let's get started. Open up a Bitcoin chart with a 15-minute time frame. The first indicator we'll be using is called the Best Cloud All Moving Average Indicator. Don't worry, it's super simple to add. Head over to the indicator section, search for Best Cloud All, and once you find it, click to add it to your chart. This indicator combines 2 moving averages to create a color-coded cloud on the chart. Before we use it, we'll need to tweak a few settings. Open the settings menu, go to the input section, and set the source to close. Then, change the type of the first moving average to RMA and adjust its length to 14. Leave the second moving average type as its default EMA and set its length to 90. Finally, activate the color based on trend option. Now, hop over to the Style tab and disable the Shapes option since we won't need it for this strategy. Feel free to customize the colors and opacity of the MA lines in Cloud to suit your preferences. Now let's add the second indicator, Impulse MACD Lazy Bear. This tool will help us filter out low potential signals and avoid false entries. Go to the indicator section, search for Impulse MACD Lazy Bear, and add it to your chart. We'll need to adjust a few settings here too. In the Input tab, change the length EMA from 34 to 100, but leave the signal length at its default value of 9. Disable the bar color option. Next, in the Style tab, make the midline stand out for better visualization. Switch the Impulse MACD type to area and assign the following colors: green for 0, gray for 1, red for 2, and gray for 3. Finally, disable any other unnecessary options. Great. With both indicators ready, let's dive into the strategy. Welcome aboard our crypto arc where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Established in 2018, Bybit is one of the fastest growing cryptocurrency exchanges committed to providing a professional, smart, and innovative trading experience. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. This is how to enter a long trade. Look for an uptrend in the market check. If the price is rising above the green cloud, watch for a pullback to the green cloud. Identify the most recent swing high and draw a horizontal line at that level. Wait for a bullish breakout above that line. Confirm the Impulse MACD Lazy Bear indicator is showing green. Once all these conditions are met, open a buy trade. For your stop loss, use the most recent swing low. To take profit, aim for 1.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. And this is how to enter a sell trade. Look for a downtrend in the market check if the price is dropping below the red cloud. Wait for a retracement to the red cloud. Identify the most recent swing low and draw a horizontal line at that level. Wait for a bearish breakout below the line. Confirm the Impulse MACD Lazy Bear indicator is showing red. Once all these conditions are met, open a sell trade. For your stop loss, use the most recent swing high. To take profit, aim for 1.5 to 1 risk-reward ratio. I'm going to showcase 2 to 1 risk-reward ratios, along with insights from back-forward testing. These examples illustrate how the strategy performs in various market conditions. The price is above the green cloud and pulls back into it. A swing high is identified. and the price breaks above it. A stop loss is placed below the recent swing low. Take profit is set at 2 times the risk. Here, the price is below the red cloud and retraces into it. A swing low is identified, and the price breaks below it. A stop loss is placed above the recent swing high. Take profit is set at 2 times the risk.
Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game. With FundedNext, you get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading.
Now let's see just a part of the 100 times back and forward testing I conducted. Shortly after, I'll also share the different results achieved for both profit factor scenarios of 1.5 to 1 and 2 to 1 risk-reward ratios. Well, as you can see, the results are just mind-blowing. Here are the results for our approach with 1.5 risk-reward ratio, which is awesome. But if you can sacrifice a bit of win rate for a more massive gain on 2 to 1 risk-reward ratio, here are the results for that as well. Patience and discipline are essential for successful trading. Stick to this strategy, monitor market conditions, and stay consistent. With time, you'll gain the confidence to make informed decisions and capitalize on profitable opportunities. Check the recommended videos on your screen to learn how to turn this into a bot with alerts and drop your questions in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch up with you all in the next one.